What's up, dudes? My mini cannon pistol is working great, and my ramrod's still in there. Hey, does anyone like it? It's got a new shape to it. It's been hillbilly duct taped down, shoe gooed all through there, and I'm gonna shoot it in just a second. Just hold